How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. If you've been using Sweatcoin and have racked up some coins, you're probably wondering how you can actually turn those coins into real money. Well, today I'm going to walk you through the simple process of withdrawing money from Sweatcoin. So let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up the Sweatcoin app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll be on your main home screen where you can see all your total Sweatcoins balance. Now to start with withdrawing, simply tap on the rewards tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see all the available rewards you can claim with your Sweatcoins, including gift cards, products, and even PayPal cash. To withdraw money, scroll through the options and look for PayPal or any other cash rewards. If PayPal is available in your region, you'll be able to exchange your Sweatcoins for real money. Once you find the PayPal cash option, tap on it to see how much Sweatcoin you need to exchange for cash. After selecting a cash reward, you'll be asked to confirm your withdrawal. Make sure you link your PayPal account to Sweatcoin first. If you haven't done that yet, just follow the prompts to set it up. Once everything's set up, just tap confirm and your withdrawal will be processed. And that's it, guys. You've now learned how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin.